Hey everyone, not sure if you can see this or not, but we all have these loose rivets that make your Fender sit whatever way they want at the time. What I do, I have a bolt here. Naturally from the factory it had a little dimple in the tip. I'm sure you can't see that. But I just ground it down just to the right size that it fits the rounding on the bottom of the rivet. And on the top, took another bolt and ground it down to a little fine point with a flare, so that as it drives in, it flares the rivet out. Best way to do this is on a rivet press, but we don't all have rivet presses, so if you need to do it at home, this is the way to do it. Line that up there. Put your little tool on top. You can pretty much feel when it's on there. And just tighten it up like so. Nice and solid. See how nice that works? Now we do the bottom one. Nice and solid. Now we can give it one another tap. Don't overdo it and don't kill it. Remember, tight is tight. That's it, folks. Perfect. So that's our lesson for the day. Good luck, everyone.